Femoral vein anatomy. 7 questions and answers. Is the femoral vein a continuation of the popliteal vein? Yes, the femoral vein is a continuation of the popliteal vein. Where does the femoral vein begin? The femoral vein begins at the Hunter's canal. Where does the femoral vein end? The femoral vein ends at the lower border of the inguinal ligament. Does the femoral vein accompany the femoral artery along its course? Yes, the femoral vein accompanies the femoral artery along its course. The femoral vein accompanies the femoral artery along its course. Are both vessels enclosed in the femoral sheath? Yes, the femoral vein accompanies the femoral artery along its course, and both blood vessels are enclosed in the femoral sheath. Does the femoral vein receive blood from other prominent veins? Yes, the femoral vein receives blood from other major veins. The femoral vein receives blood from which other veins? The femoral vein receives blood from the popliteal vein, profunda femoris vein, and the great saphenous vein.